baby? And you always liked to be held? And then one day you just didn't like to be held?
No, because I don't remember that.
Well, that's what happened. Like, there was just a day where you just didn't want me to hold you anymore. And I don't even remember what that day was. But I will always remember the last day that I drove you to school. All right, what tune selection you gonna pick for us today?
What did you say?
I don't know. Will you please see what it is and hope to God it's not a cat? Ugh. Can you see anything?
There's like a splatter on this tire.
A splatter of what?
Water bottle.
Oh, thank God. Oh my God. Jeez. Okie dokie. You don't tell me there's a splatter on the tire unless it's something red and gross.
I knew it wasn't red.